Hello, everybody. I'm Debbie Indahart Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update, where I give you some great information about the local real estate market in Milpitas. And we're well into 2024. This is the end of January. So lots has happened this month and a lot of activity I've got coming up, which I'll talk about in just a second. But let's review what the San Jose Mercury News had to say on February 25th. The headlines read, sales of homes in Bay Area plummet. Not since the bubble burst and ignited the Great Recession has the market slowed so drastically. So if you read that on the face value of that article, you would think that you wouldn't be very successful in selling your home if you're a seller. That's not the case. I think what you can glean off of that is the fact that the inventory is low, demand is out of the sight, off the roof, for homes right now. So it's a perfect storm to get the maximum you want out of the selling of your home. So the activity is low. So that's the sales that the Mercury News is talking about. The number of sales is low, but certainly pricing is good. And we're expecting prices to rise. Interest rates are actually on the way down a little bit more. So you're going to see some more house prices going up. So if you bought last year when the rates were higher, and rates come down, you can always refinance, but it's better to lock in. In fact, I think somebody asked me this the other day, when is a good time to buy a home? At any time you can afford to buy a home is a good time to buy a home. So keep that in mind. All right, what do we have coming up? Lots of great stuff I'm really excited about. 330 North Abbott Avenue in Milpitas. We've actually done before photos, and my videographer will be out there next week doing the after shots with me. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2196 square foot home in the Manor area. Got that open in 2 weekends away from now, and the price is $1.698888. Nice 2-story home. We just did all new paint in and out, new laminate flooring and carpet in the bedroom, so it's going to show really good. And then behind that one I've got coming up and on the market soon is 2126 Bliss Avenue in Milpitas. That's in the Parktown area. It's a great area, and it's actually the Senate Elementary School, which is the #1 school in Milpitas. This one on Bliss is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square foot. Lot size is 6,098, and the weekend open on that will be February 17th and 18th from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. I'll be out there to meet you if you want to come by then to see that property. So really a great opportunity to live in Milpitas for a great area. And then I have a duplex that I just listed. It's at 520 to 522 Wool Drive in Milpitas. Each unit is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. The lot size is really large. It's about 8,276 square foot lot size. Building area is 1692. So they each have private yards, 1-car enclosed garages. It's an older unit. Front unit has been remodeled. The back unit is pretty basic. Great opportunity at 1.498888. Buy the unit, maybe live in one, rent out the other, or if you have extended family, in-laws, or teenagers or whatever, it's a really excellent opportunity. And the open house on that will be Sunday, February 18th from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Since it's tenant occupied, the tenants have agreed to let me do a 2-hour open house for the public, and if you want to come through then or give me a call, that would be a good time to see that property. And then coming up very soon is 871 Beaver Creek Way in San Jose. It's a 5-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse. It's about 1,544 square feet. It's been nicely remodeled, and we're getting that staged up. The sellers are moving out. They're getting their car and their moving vans, and off they go to North Carolina. And they should be out by March 3rd, so we'll be prepping the home and get that on the market in a few days after that date that I get it ready to go. And then 2116 Blue Ridge Drive in Milpitas. Been talking about that actually all year. Last year, it's maybe coming up very soon. 4-bedroom, 3-bath Chappelle home in the Hillcrest area, 2,150 square feet, 3-car garage. We will be doing some basic renovations, some paint in and out, all new flooring through the house, kind of like what we did at Abbott Avenue, just some freshening up, nothing remodeling on that one. And the price point on that is $2,198,888. 888. And then last but not least, I've got another new one coming up at 1971 Camargo Drive in San Jose. That's in the Berryessa area. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,577 square feet, and with a 300 square feet ADU, which is accessory dwelling unit in the back. That was going to be an amazing property. So look for that soon, maybe around March, and we'll talk about then. We haven't quite set the final price on that one yet, but we're talking and seeing what we need to do. So lots of inventory, exciting times, and give me a call if you want to get included. We'll get you going and give you some great advice on what I think you can do to achieve the maximum results in this great market. My number's 408-945-8988 or giordanodj@aol.com. I look forward to talking to you, and we'll see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.